Hi everybody, Bryan from Sid Dillon Cadillac in Fremont, Nebraska. Here today we have a 2021 Cadillac XT-5. Fits right in between the Cadillac midsize SUVs with the XT-4 and the XT-6. A great 5-passenger vehicle for a family, or if you a couple that just wants a little bit of room to have some fun on the weekends. Up front here, a couple things we like to show is that we have a lot of safety features, driver confidence features like the forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and features like the front automatic braking, pedestrian braking, which is really important. We have it both in the front and in the rear on the XT-5. A V6 is under the hood, so you got plenty of power to take you down the highway and get you where you want to go, and still offers pretty nice fuel economy as well. And an all-wheel drive system that you can take in or out, so you don't have to run an all-wheel drive all the time. A nice long wheelbase at 112.5 gives you a real confident ride down the road. And it's also pretty wide, so your track when you turn left and right is also very confident. And when you walk down the sides, you'll see the chrome handles with the push-button style. It has a keyless entry. You no longer need to have a key to get in and out of the vehicles these days, which makes it really easy to lock and unlock your doors without reaching in your purse or reaching in your pockets. 18-inch aluminum wheels on the premium luxury like we have here today, and you can get 20-inch wheels as an option. Walking around to the back, I'm going to show not just the rear park assist like we were talking before, but we also have a self-parking feature. So if you're not very confident with parallel parking, you can hit a button and this will help park that vehicle for you. Coming around to the back, if you're looking to get inside and your hands are full, we've got an option here that you have the power assist for they call it a hands-free liftgate feature, so that if you're trying to get the back door open, you swing your foot under that little sensor there, and it'll allow you to open up that door nice and confidently. Once you're in here, you got plenty of room like we talked about for putting your gear or whatever you have to haul for the weekends. If it's sports, soccer, whatever you got, it can handle it. But if you need to make a little extra room because you're at Home Depot, you can pull one of these levers in the back, and that's going to fold that rear seat down, give you a little bit extra room on demand. And shut that back down here. Coming around the side, one of the things that sets apart this 5-passenger SUV, in my opinion, is when you get into the back seat here, not only do you have plenty of legroom in the rear, but this you typically find on a vehicle with 3 rows of seat, not 2. This lever here you can pull, and you can adjust that seat back and forth, so it gives you a little bit more flexibility, as well as being able to recline that rear seat so that if you're on a long trip with the kids, they can relax a little bit and maybe even catch a couple of Z's. And making your way into the driver's position, you'll see Cadillac spends a little extra time on the fit and finish, and also using a little bit of the aluminum and the chrome accents together. Hand stitched and sewn leather interior. You'll notice the wrap on the dash. And features on the inside that I think are appreciated. The precision shift shifter no longer requires a cable to run to the transmission, which allows you to get a little bit of extra room, a little extra space in between here. And features like heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, a lot of these features are going to make the driving experience a lot more user-friendly and more enjoyable. And 2021 Cadillac XT-5